the man of the moment, Dr. Kojo Kyeremanteng, predicted that Dr. Bawumia 60% to grab a heading. Emma make us say, hey, nah, papa, you 60% and one 70 and 80%. It's just a signal, never said, you know, shut down you. Well, you have a trust here, you have you jump NPP primaries, you know, but the big story is that Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and the NPP delegates, 211,000 delegates are elected as the flag bearer of the NPP for the 2028 general election. Man of the moment. That's it, Kwaku. Prediction, I also want Diana. Yeah, chap posting a man for because I also want Diana.
Well, Yamini Danasi. Yamini Danasi. At the end of the day,
yeah,
there are things. It's a bit. I don't know. People cannot and will not understand some of us.
Yeah.
So we are not normal. There are things that we see. There are things that we work based on research and other inspirations.
Okay.
But we don't expect you to understand. This is CAW. Ansana watiasi. You understand?
Yeah.
Share enra memfa stand up with issue. Eba ye no. Afi woman no mu di matem for attacking star
no. Now you are right.
Now they are. So there any and people must understand say bibia meka bia na ebia enya wode no. It would make sense someday.
Wow. Ariana as of the Omana spiritual.
Well, say my background so kakra wom.
And some of the case is dodo. Bawumia no be animzo be winning. But they are also predicted the best slim margin on crosses 60%. You know. Honestly, me name kakra.
Yeah. Say na, I mean, based on the year by research, by science, and by data and vision and whatever no. And the mood. You understand? The mood, you know. We were very conscious say, yeah, man see because for their projection, you know, now they were assuming, oh, but 17, no, a man for gap. But we're trying to tell them, say, any possible, sir.
But you're looking at, I mean, the numbers in details. But first off, let's look at the general conduct of the exercise. For me, I think that it was extremely impressive. Was the last time out, you know, you shot a 2 hours scrum and your T showdown, 2023. But in that year, I think that it was come throughout. Apart from how I come in story behind me, who ye Brian and so agent in BS or Marco Giska and also much of my delegate or Mon Channel to question. Apart from that, things and these things are normal. I think the exercise was fruitful. You
remember, and now my culture say a very normal.
Yeah, but as a confusion drama, basically. Exactly.
And which it happened.
Exactly. Yeah.
And so I'm not expecting because IGP weighing so you're born a China and who say or can
oh really?
Yeah.
Hey, oh boy, IGP abaso.
Yeah, me once me catch and send a human sweni. Of course, still I'm a challenges, but now he's learning from the past bad records, you know.
Yeah.
And so because someone said damn parent need to me handle elections like this. And I think say wakot nasi sure, yeah, and he has been able to handle Nyomani well. We also want to thank the delegates and so much say maturity womb.
Yeah.
Especially the leader, Joe Seusu.
The election committee.
It is a fantastic. Oh, we say no. On say maturity.
Yeah.
On say the it confirms Nyoma Makachre on say MPP need certain faces. On say Joe Seusu
calm
face, very resolute. We are Kennedy Agyapong trying to make a candy open channel.
Yeah.
You understand? Imagine saying na be muni JFK muna no mu yes. What do you think would have happened?
Yeah.
But even when he said he disagreed with peace party in Nasifono,
he found a way to explain.
He found a way because Joe say we should bet you some masa. Onimo. What you are saying to us we say ya.
Yeah.
What you mean man say.
Yeah.
So what's the point here? The point is that my idea.
Yeah.
I am impressed. The maturity it means a Ghana for Tiabatuase.
Yeah, democracy near
and the fact say rejected ballot papers in Ukraine is a good man.
Delegate election will be a No,
still once was previous now still I need because
But KTM say na police for endorse do. We was say internal election. Then you go think police will be.
Na yem obi wiem.
Them so on cast.
It is better. It is better. It is all part of the training. You see, say you benya police for the do na akra no. The learning curve.
Yeah.
Because police ni bi wo craft na no aba foforo. On share down carry elections fever. It is for me na kra the police 400 na kogu ho. They are learning it. So it's not just omo to intimidate, but supposed to learn because NDC for be omo there will be national elections and other by-elections and assembly elections. So you need some of these people to be there to learn, and it's going to help everyone.
Now let's have a lowdown on the numbers, figures now. Now me try exam, so I was not really following. But me just now monitor based on our prediction. Our debate, so Dr. Bawumia crosses 60%. You know, numbers and start to say, but now who kakara because as I said, numbers ne but now Dr. Bawumia figures ne so. Yeah, now because we grab who's a bit money 70 and now be 75 be. Now but now who kakara.
Oh no. I knew the expectations.
Yeah.
And I knew the outcome. Until the end of the day, I knew what would happen. Until now, I me right up before I said, whoever wins, and bibia whether so be can me be whether Japan or Bawumia, and bibia. And I said that the real winners are the other four.
Yeah, you said it.
You understand?
Yeah, you explained and you
yes,
said
and I explained it. So for me, Bawumia definitely will win because the same album.
Okay.
The same majority delegates. And Quebekwama Kennedy Agyapong sanka omo gina mu se
30 up no.
Enna omo yes ade ne se san ya. And can narrative ni be different.
Okay. So that's the previous album now.
Previous album ne de kakra be kan won. Enti maybe want me try mu say one na ye de omo ba be ka ho no. O de ase. Omo swa. Aha, omo ye de omo ka ho no omo swa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eti now Kwajo Dr. Bawumia 56-57%. Kennedy results no as a shocking me kakra. Yemfa front runners na miensa. Dr. Bawumia na win here. You na about Kennedy about Brian. Doc vote here when yai pros and cons. You wey ni say.
Doc Diana wenya no. It is not going to do any magic for 2028. No. It's Dr. Bawumia cannot win 2028 elections.
You've been saying that.
But I've told you that if you elect Dr. Bawumia, one man DC for no upper hand. You understand? Because I've told you that it will take another 4 year cycle. And Sana Ghana for ebe consider say a day chair NPP for.
Okay.
You understand? Because Dr. Bawumia obviously will go to Akufo Addo. Obekwa o de mo marking ne obekwa akoda na Akufo Addo ase obekwa akwaji ni nhira no abom paye for ne support.
Okay,
mark it today, it will happen.
Now who's the Ghana from Perisa?
Right, so tie Kennedy Atta Kennedy or say be careful. MPP for who say anytime na Akufo Addo speaks esa de ebufuo esa de vote sa esote.
Wow.
But you see, Dr. Bawumia's situation here so delicate. Look at the people who are supporting Dr. Bawumia. Yeah. The same old perceived corrupt
Nana Akufo Addo now.
So nothing is changing.
Okay.
What do I say? I don't know his strategy moving forward. But say ekoni say ya wait miracles mu never be communication. Nessa Kofoni anymore that tactics we are. Then you are not serious. And that's what I'm saying, say, imagine Joe or say is managing
the
campaign. Or they'll say chairman Semu and a year in charge of communication strategy.
Or Nana Kumia
mu and no more miracle, momu coaching miracles, hey, madam for know your limiter. Then one will say and you may be sisa. Because Joe will say we soon experience so mu din komwa. Womo betimi a convince we.
Yeah. I mean they've been there before.
You understand?
Yeah.
But se party no enmunyamfo ne sa ambemu a because party na MPP party no eye enmunyamfo party.
Yeah.
And I say enkora sema ba MPP mu. Nanseng. What I say because Moro Kabori mu ne hwan mu no. I mean, if you look at them, you ask yourself, say, how would these people even convince anybody to vote?
The ordinary Ghanaian won't even convince.
They are not convincing enough.
Okay.
And that Ghanaian now Montiasia, they be a catch you say, yeah, no money didn't come. The Gen Zs are not getting attracted to NPP.
Wow.
The Gen Zs meet every Gen Z. Who they need in come 10 for 10 is you. Now, NPP and their perception about NPP. Many people didn't come. Young ladies, young guys, I don't know who didn't come. They don't want to hear anything NPP.
Ideally, first, Nankebi and Kaumbe inclined towards NPP.
Yes, or no, to make catch us, papa. Maybe papa money NPP or no NPP.
Every time they never say
yes, and your master. Our time, so papa NPP near, you are likely to vote
for NPP
based on the influence of your parents. Now, Gen Z for no, they are thinking different. Until you cannot influence even your daughter or your son.
Your son.
You understand? And look, yesterday I explained certain things to you. Bawumia wini, which is nice. Kakra obetimi aya and say seat kakra because the 80 and also push you 100 be. 80 seats, 87 seats no.
87.
And also a penal or 100
kakra. Because 113 counts.
And being tra kakra.
Okay.
100 B, 110 B. You understand? We need the ultimate winnie.
2028.
To when we near. And now a bit jiregu. Chejigu and fina umudi new face beba.
No, but you almost say election year Bawumia winning. A new wind is blowing.
No.
And now the wind that is blowing is that they are going for the power in 2020.
It will not happen.
No, it will not happen.
It will not happen. There's no way Bawumia would win 2020.
The NBC doesn't even know the.
No, you don't need anybody. Anybody, Makacho, anybody that they present names na yewo Anybody that you present Bawumia.
That is if President Mahama
But I've told you that President John Mahama will not commit serious blunders.
Like ABSC in the last 4 years.
Okay. Or you're cautious. And he has a certain finance minister on your greed.
Okay.
You see, everything is about finance.
Of the economy, they send
I can't say Dr. Ato Forson ain't greedy.
Yeah.
On Riesika. On Bejiju Sika. On from or when you see Kadada.
Yeah.
You understand? In Tindian year, the Atamil Subani, Yanyamwa Ghana. Because we need the potential a year, say, or pay or yen year finance. In the net, Manuhube, Dr. Forson bear
8 years.
8 years, no. Or a presidential material from the central. So we'll get another Atamils.
Wow.
Because Atamils on Kwani president, I want to make us a discount. Atamils on Kwani president, I want to make us a corrupt. You can say JJ corrupt, Kofo a corrupt,
President
Mahama a corrupt, Akufo Addo corrupt, but Atamils won't even conscience with Digan Sika.
Wow.
Because he was selfless. And that is what I see in Ato Forson. It's Ato Forson at the future. That is from 2032 echo 2036 it is Ato Forson.
Wow.
Right now they're in Fisusa for president.
Maybe a running mate to be possibly.
Yes, running mate to be possibly to help.
Yeah.
So whoever win, but you don't need a can. What did I say? It has to be
balanced.
A can enough. And now say ewe. Na etimi abwa. But now enough no suntino. Any candidate you need a nothing factor.
Of course.
And that is why Bawumia is also doing the magic. Because the magic is that Bawumia no and kebia o lusuya and cannot na be shift akwa NDC.
Wow.
Enti Bawumia that o de hwede we no for toma Bawumia. Omo toma hu say ye die.
Ya body 100%.
Omo to aba ma hu so mo to ye die.
Yeah.
What did I say?
And look at Kennedy Agyapong the campaign.
Yeah, but you see and someone want to make delicate. But you see how they showed Bawumia say ye die. But Asante and the other accounts did not show so much. But parts in the from up I can.
No, but some catch is about intellect, competence, not.
No, but I'm just share. Let me tell you. Assembly or hono muntimenka. The Christians do not still find comfortability with Dr. Bawumia. But they will not tell you. But until America,
why?
The Christians, you see, if I'm not being tribal, but Muslims have their way of looking at Christians, but they will never tell you. What they have social media discussions when it comes to religion.
And vice versa.
And vice versa.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? Even you can find Christians who are more liberal and accommodating and would want to. But you can find a typical Muslim who is so entrenched that one can say yepe or feel say
wow offending.
Okay. Opa check the narrative. You understand?
Yeah.
Good.
If you want to say Christians are still and
they say Christians will not tell you.
But it's a show. No, but when Omu declare results, no, Dr. Bawumia we need Christian dominated areas baby.
No, he won.
For instance, Sticker supported Kennedy Agyapong.
No.
But Dr. Bawumia we need a constituency.
I've told you that the delegates that voted for Bawumia is still there.
The album
so we a new album and kayen kasa we.
Okay.
And that is why based on data, no, any poll na media houses be and Kennedy Agyapong ne win. Why?
Yeah.
It tells you that a typical NPP sympathizer would wish Dr. Kennedy Agyapong coming.
Yeah.
Because we're feeling more comfortable than Dr. Bawumia.
Outside MPP, Kennedy is popular.
Outside MPP, no, that's the point. And you need somebody. Bawumia is not popular outside.
Maybe the hope is that they will do 2020.
No, and Juma. Also, Bawumia no, and you may be unfortunately Ekutiano,
victim of circumstance,
and it will still be hunting him in 2028.
Especially with Kojo with 56-57%. Not just say and 60%.
Only control.
So you for MPP for 10 no more. Dr. Bawumia enyamu sexa.
There be
boldly
only control.
Delegates no.
Bawumia any control.
Hey,
and then I say right now. You will need Ken and Brian.
Yeah.
They say Brian cross, the force no cross.
Yeah, you
understand? So, and you see, I want him to be president.
Dr. Bawumia.
What do I say? If 2028 or percent or konenim na man konfo say as he said there, and there's no competition. My man ko because we drew level be and yeah, Tisebio. We're ready to obey a movie.
And their faces be a dinner chino on such a name.
And yes, I'm telling you.
Kwadona Kennedy, so first off, okay, so with Bawumia. Bawumia drop vote. Was that the last time out? I think we were 61 or 64%. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
But to say one do 60% in vote. It's just what drop vote.
Or drop it. Numbers no enyemano.
In as much as okay, maybe make say expand the album no.
No, but we expand the album no now we are popular. It has to still reflect.
Okay.
Now we see three crown koi. John Mahama obiti said 90 plus.
90 something where?
Akufo Addo 80 plus. Or Magab no more makaneche.
Yeah.
No one will say Akufo Addo was commanding height. Our party no control no.
Yeah, that's true.
Ye pe. Enti Bawumia se bi ankomo to mano 80%. Now we more el makano eche because if you look at this one 23 0.7, 18.53, 56, Educhum 1, Kwabena Agyapong 0. Clearly, they say the Musa Dankwa predicted.
We move by 50%.
Yes.
Because we come here 44%.
That's it.
There's a nipa 4 out of 10.
Wow. And that is why I wrote a maybe say, assuming Bawumia 60%, the 40% now cannot be. And now they are over 40%.
Bro.
Yes. Enti Educhum 1%. Uhia. Uhia Kwabena Agyapong 21%.
0.21.
Share.
Uhia Kennedy.
Brian Agyapong quite predicted so benya 5%. Look at Brian. So Brian Agyapong right now is another stronger force.
Kingmaker.
He's a kingmaker. Brian Agyapong. In all, Mekwama Brian Agyapong as the winner. In all, the why there.
On the winner.
Yes.
The first time in Tiara.
The first time.
You came here, but 36,000 votes.
We seen the first time 18%.
Wow.
Brian is the winner.
But now, Kojo, what did he do right, Brian?
Brian, it was I said already now it was only Kennedy Agyapong. And I know a project is on the one sika.
Yeah, or the campaign.
But maybe so I can know you say for
yeah.
because I said Brian was
Ken. Mekai.
So when it comes to Brian should be frame.
Also discuss firm.
It's delegates in who say there would be Brian was doing far better than even Kennedy Agyapong. No one kasa. Ye mu bi ne ekọ ka kire ne say Brian.
Also
Kasa. Onim Brian ya bra no. Brian is a personal friend.
Yeah.
Ye mu bi ne ekọ ka kire ne say masa kasa.
Na nkofo hu de o ye.
Na nkofo me so wo kọ time am wu ye call Rock City no. Hotel ni de wo ba bi kutu abi o akwati say Great Hall.
Yeah.
But asase e da wa wo ye project say Katanga ne Brunei achire ho ne na se for.
No kwanya sa azeketo.
Enti no a city.
Wow.
A whole city. Brian asase na it say a free Africa Hall. So we can West a free Africa Hall. Eba be fa nyina Great Hall na se for. Ogusu eso onya nwie ye.
Wow.
Bibia wo mi ti wura ma asori wom. But everything
a whole crew
no otchere. It's a Vatican City.
Yes.
That is how Brian episode yen.
Wow.
Brian is constructing the largest airport in the world. 5.5 kilometers.
In Africa or
in the world.
Wow.
The largest you can say runway is in China.
Okay.
Which is 5 kilometers. What do you check it?
Wow.
But what is the largest runway in the world? And by which kilometers? Na yehu. Maybe I know beka semeboa. The largest runway in the world. And by which
do you say you the largest runabout make a runway.
Runway. That's airport. Runway airport.
Okay.
Airport.
Okay, China,
as
5.5 kilometers.
Yes. Sabina Wosi.
Okay. Wow. That's deep, Kojo.
And no Wosi bi wa ha. Enti wo Kwaku na Kwaku enclave ho no. Owo ba bia Wosi na wuduro kra yembehyew.
Wow.
He has vision. Me say Brian no ho. People don't know Brian. Enti I no more can the open.
Kojo na me em so obi an the first time with my binya.
Me say Brian
over saying
Brian
over 36,000 votes. Hey, Kojo is serious.
Brian is a leader.
Wow.
Brian omu ye sharp. Businessman. In fact, between Ken and Brian, in terms of business, I'll go for Brian.
Hey,
yes. Brian business are not ding. I'm telling you.
Sir Kennedy, all these years he has been noted for president.
And I'm saying Brian on Kasa, Brian ye typical Kwaku, or it is a chief of staff. Chief of staff on was a kappa, Kwaku was kappa, they don't talk.
Okay.
Brian, the why you were no. Nobody, no MP. And I yet not even John Mahama. And I yet bisa when the crew.
Wow.
The Brian I yen wo Kwaku. Prior so be persones anyomano. Nobody. And etimi ayesa.
Do you say NPP delegate no share no so no mo de ahye na munyama na.
Brian ne baye ma wu se mu piska.
Yeah.
Enti so me kyerem se muska na muntie me. Enti na wa command wa unity first time.
Yes. First time out.
Because he said 2028 na Kennedy Agyapong wa emre. Enti wontimi nya sa hodin now Brian ebe share o te say de na Ken timi betia Alan.
Enti be ma Brian be sign
Brian
possibly be sign Kennedy who 2020.
Enti me we Bawumia we smarter. You put Brian as the vice.
Oh.
Yes. And say na balance north akan. Yes.
Let's on drop in a pool.
Hey, say.
On dropping a pool say. Now Dr. Bawumia
na wo tu manum yi.
Oh, that be Dr. Bawumia wan kasi man second chance. Tina put man second chance na here. Ana osre. Dr. Bawumia kasi man second chance me boa. Kojo me boa. Dr. Bawumia kasi man second chance. Yeri amano. NPP for delegate man second chance. Man ko biom. Tiare ntina na put man second chance.
Na say Dr. Bawumia minim do betu ne fosa.
Who expect one dropping the pana?
I share between NAPO ne Brian. And NAPO ne Aduchum. One of which you
see a crowd puller, Aduchum so on pull crowd to send up.
There be delegates in there. Nay normal say Aduchum. Aduchum on so a popular wabonting.
Yeah,
delegates
no respecting.
Aduchum a popular wabonting. Aduchum. Imagine say Aduchum ne handle the government communication.
Yeah, very calm, well composed.
Obetimi a convincing ye. What they say? Aha. Because I do chum say Bawumia be wini a eye dey awuntimi entomfa no ho.
Yeah.
O te dey make an say.
I get it.
The point I'm a person me structure and say.
Na poni dey omo dropping am omo dey be you. So Dr. Bawumia man second chance.
No, Dr. Bawumia
na post second chance.
No emu no eye dey no asade. Na say wunsia he.
Dabi. Yeah man na post second chance.
And I'm saying you are giving a cool job to the NDC. I think someone so bumpire so besa ko fa na police one.
For
NDC for. Say the same thing. I'm beso mo ye say mo nyina mo nko. The winning team. The elephant team.
But Kojo, I didn't talk Kennedy Agyapong. What went wrong?
No, I think say Kennedy Agyapong not on tie data no. 2. Once I me catch or say can challenge people the delegates feel say he was only pretending.
Okay.
Once Bawumia the emotional stability in the BT about we.
Yeah.
People don't understand. Delegates they are so intelligent. No more nyoma. And na omunya abronye muni na sefo na odo so omu hwan Dr. Bawumia de no so adu level no.
Omo mama for so the other side of.
Say ye de ye hiafo. Ye de ye hiafo. Ye de hiafo. De bia wo didi atem. Motherfucker. So they were exposing
the other side of
Kennedy. The other side say akwa we obebon krofo asum.
It's the idea Dr. Bawumia team kan your nkofo on the team metimi aka.
And I also said the delegates most of them are conventional people.
Okay.
Normally the typical NPP nino onye gidigidi. On pentokwa.
Yeah.
On pejeje asem. Enti naturally no and as our delegates no ye omo menini 40 45 50 60 sa omo pejeje ni NDC. Those are the delegates. Sankrofo no. So mu so ye gidigidi na be chese wo ye sikani na wo muye ya. Obecho say wo sika me so me premier ni.
It's true. Me omubo e be clear say Dr. Bawumia me friend madam for delegate go afidu as me body the boy spirit. O support Kennedy pa last time out no. I'm for the boy. Na uripa no win o also man supporting this one am say there also Kennedy as well predo. Yes I said the okan and some of mo kekan no.
Say once yeah better say near kasa. We speak from the perspective of the people that we engage.
Yes.
Enti wo tie ni sa na kasa bi amimpo bi asema. Unti ase.
And they kasa won kasa ma ho. Sometimes there are people who say komunya nkombeka. But Omar research wa no say beka.
Exactly.
So you always speak what the people are saying on the street.
And that's what people don't understand. Obi wa also Bawumia 790 I didn't know they be more Bawumia because you don't want the honest truth. We are speaking the uncomfortable truth to you. Ken problem no. And the Drew baby no. The people around were not honest with Ken. They gave him super high hope.
Yeah.
Because all that we were doing, say Ken is going to give Bawumia a run for his money.
Yeah. Based on 2023, you know.
But
the first time,
yeah,
you said it.
Obe pushy. But the danger is that the coming in of these forces never had Dr. Bawumia.
Yeah.
Which of course, they can't abem. And see for me, Dr. Bawumia where you are?
Pa, 56% no. Where should they go from here? I mean, where should they start from? And because they need to unite the party. And then Brian, the concession speech or kind, Kennedy, the concession speech, make I say or Casano, Obika said no can no vote, no say that men casa, men can no vote. Now maybe we need I think our best the other aspirants, and call for Bible supporting me. So unity no for almost starting free, could you?
No, unity in Ken is the deciding factor.
Hey, sir.
Yes.
Only Janazo.
No. Ken influence no so.
Also, Dr. Bawumia mo friend.
No, what who need choice? They said the only, I mean, Brian and Asefoni no easy. They've called him and congratulated him, so they are okay.
Yeah.
Now the deciding factor, the broker, Ken.
Yeah.
It is only Ken that they need an honest admission, and then a decision say, mebwa.
Yeah, no, if free na kuma.
Nye do pretend baako ni bi.
Abra baako no pretend.
Oh yeah, baako ni say Drew baby no na say.
Okujina simple say campaign.
Debi.
Sa.
Na emfa.
Hey.
Emfa.
The Ken of them so obeyina kuma my adwana ma party.
Well,
Ken a party person.
Onyina kumem sir. That's the honest truth. Aha, onyina kumem. But it's early days yet. Bibi to me say at least the good thing is may yin them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, say until omo longer years to plan. Oh yeah, say no may Bawumia no. Say Bawumia settle baby abe April 1 na. I feel no more be handle NDC. I feel no more so be expose until ebema government no so I divided.
Okay.
Because of the biba be tum na NDC for so yeah no more yeah na afia Drew Julius mu ne hwan mu no na no so akwa nsem bibiri aba.
I see. NDC for so dey baba.
NDC for so.
But you say outcome we no NDC for be omo there na. Bawumia na ye yin no. NDC for nim say the nipa ba ko ofu. Bawumia. Oh,
NDC phone.
Say Bawumia
NDC ni bia predicted say Bawumia.
But who's a Dr. Frank Amako in jubilate on Facebook?
They know Bawumia's weakness.
But could you be able to 2028? Na Ghana for refi.
Listen, nothing will change. And if you see, and the internet, people are smart. And the people are mutu ni buno. And you're likely pass. They'll be super angry with NDC, sir.
1.7 million vote difference.
The NDC, as we know, John Mahama, with close to 1 million difference. Or Konya, no news will be winning. Or so 40,000, 400,000.
Yeah.
And then Akufo Addo still a. And some of the another cycle.
Ebe offset says, you know, ebe bisa ho.
So
you want to take it time.
The NDC will be weakened after 2028.
Okay.
NDC will be weakened after 2028. Aha, so new one na no abano. Now one say na oni swag and it is a John Mahama.
Of course.
It's I say people will still try. According to say be akoyi asidi nketia. Asidi nketia oya kokra. Oni ahwodin. Ne oni ahwodin bebre sa.
But look fit, look strong.
You see, what I'm saying is that share general yeah, strong person.
Yeah.
But at the right time, no. You see, when you are dealing with certain people above 70, omuntia say different. The Ebwa John Mahama no or youthful and nyoma kakra won. So I mean he's able to balance.
Okay.
Oh yeah, boys
guy,
you say. What do you say?
Yeah.
It's different when you are dealing with a 70-year-old person.
Okay. Kwajonti MPP for Addo abana wiye. Jodi baby oja na ojina 2028 no. Omo chances na ye slim.
No, just sit kakra bi no the better.
All right. Kwa ye crown Prophet Bernard.
Yeah.
Prophet Ashem come say Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng na be wini. Man come say the chicken or cock radio stations ko teaching ma the Gyamfi Kennedy na be wini. Amam obe issue statement 10 abuza for whole screen as well. Statement in the etwa apacho. O se Ghana fo nyina fa de bone nche wo mo. De ote ye Nyankopɔ ka kire na wo share. Na biem on fa responsibility ni nkɔhye obia, on fa blame nkɔma obia, ojetum agenefo so atum apache wo se Ghana fo yi. Ono Prophet Bernard mo fa de bone nche no. O kan ya amam nte mo fa nche no.
Yeah. It's good so about Besa.
Obapacho. They say the Nyankopɔ ka kire na wa be kan dan tin wapacho.
No, but na make say what can we nipa mu no. On say edru say ya enya fe na wo be spiritual explanation.
Yes.
O de me tiase. On say medical explain.
I makaya.
Yeah, me tiase. O de say the otie na e true.
E true.
The otie no e true.
They say true anka bebam.
What I'm saying is that there could be deceptive prophecies.
Okay.
And I've explained say sometimes prophecy wo ha the same voice na wote no. And no na wote but na enya no kre but e catch us koka. Say the be be panisi nipa no.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
God wanted to kill Ahab.
Yeah.
And he said, who will kill Ahab for me? How?
And I saw for you share come.
And we said come.
We win. Was still my shadow goes over. You was there be a queer watching my own so mention him. Makaya. I'm going to buy and was oh, we was massa. Mean you win.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm more than for kind of cross any and Uncle Possum and Gajo Kabu. Maybe later, Sena, Yankopon, Shan come off 400 prophets. So, a day a punish or Hineno.
Yankopon, the prophets, or to set them cry, he has to punish them, not human being.
Okay.
And so the moment that a human being want to fight the cause of God for him, Ube lose focus.
So Kojo, it's confirmed 56.48%. Hey. Ode twaso Prophet Bernard.
So
Bas a man for ohuru
normal. It's good said the Abba, and people love him. The way we see here and so he say normal.
Hey, Kojo prophecy.
No, not every talk you on namo.
Dabi Basa asana
No, what I'm saying is sometimes it's for a purpose.
The ministry.
I have already told you. It is possible, just like we are saying, Che, what he's saying is that Kennedy would have won. And that's the truth. The truth is that Kennedy would have won, not winning as a presidential whatever, but on Kobetime winning more for NPP in 2028 than Dr. Bawumia.
Okay.
Whatever explanation or they buy, I just want people to understand and they say, prophecies ni bi wo ho a. I'm just, it's my opinion.
Yeah.
Ebia, God was not happy with the way Ken decided to attack men of God.
Okay.
No matter whether they are fake or whatever. Because when you say, these men of God, so many people, so many bomb fire,
yeah.
So we should Najagezi, say your papa, say your papa. These people, when they are praying, and some pastors who were praying against you,
yeah.
Because Kromoha, one of the things I realize says, I will come once them. Now the kofa so for no swa. Unim who may kuta umo.
Wow.
Unim who may kuta umo. And so you have to be very, very careful.
Okay.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Team Ken for the wonderful work he's done. I mean, we all admit we work hard, but God's time is the best. He knows what is good for us. I know most of you are dejected. You have to keep your spirit up, because once we have life, we have hope, we have everything. So don't be dejected. And the advice I give is, I have taken it coolly, because in politics, you can win, you can lose. Anytime I speak to you guys and tell you we can win, we can lose, so win. But I'm a veteran politician, so I know. I've gone through several defeats, and therefore I cushioned myself and expected the worst. And the worst has happened. But the worst doesn't mean that is the end of life. So keep faith alive. Yes. And be happy with the outcome. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? So I'm pleading with all of you not to do anything. We have to stay calm. We believe in the party. The delegates have spoken. We have to take it. That's the advice I want to give all of us. But with what is in store for us tomorrow. So especially Team Ken, the good work that you've done, I want to show my appreciation. And at an appropriate time, we will meet and dine together.
Yes.
What I want to say again is that do not use this against anybody in the party. Once they have decided, let's all come together as party members and work together.
No way.
You should all relax. You should all relax. I know we have 3 years to go. Who knows what will happen? So I want you to be patient. don't say that who can no vote. So if it had been Ken, if it had been Ken, what would other contestants, supporters have said? So no can do vote should be out. Let's come together as one people. But at an appropriate time, you will see how things unfold. Don't worry. God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know. But God that created us knew today would definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much. Thank you. The former President Nana Addo Akufo Addo, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, all the aspirants present, party chairman, general secretary, minority leader, chairman, council of elders, and NPP party. I stand before you to pledge my support, also to accept the results declared by EC. The delegates have spoken, and I want to plead with my supporters that they should stay calm and respect the results and help all of us to work together to win 2029 or 2028 election. I want to advise my supporters. First, I want to thank you, but I advise that in election, you can win and you can lose. So if you lose, you have to accept it in good faith. So let's all of us throw our support to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, the flag bearer. And all I say is, NPP, we need unity in the party. But unity comes with respect. We have to respect each other's views. That is all I want to say tonight. So congratulations to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and NPP. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.